Did you know that pairing bell peppers with certain foods can affect your eye health or even lead to vision loss? Even bell peppers, celebrated for their vision-enhancing qualities, have optimal and detrimental food pairings. Proper consumption of bell peppers is essential to fully harness their eye-nourishing benefits. That's why I've crafted this comprehensive guide to safeguarding your eye health. Within, I'll uncover the 3 worst food combinations with bell peppers and reveal the 3 most advantageous ones. Here are the 3 best and worst combinations of bell peppers with other foods, fruits, herbs, drinks, or any edible items specifically for enhancing vision repair. The 3 best bell pepper combinations for vision repair. Number 1 is bell peppers and spinach. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that are key for eye health. When bell peppers are combined with spinach, the vitamin C in bell peppers can help enhance the absorption of these antioxidants, making it an excellent combination for protecting the eyes from oxidative damage and improving vision health. First mate spinach takes center stage, boasting a bounty of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 mighty antioxidants renowned for their protective prowess in the realm of eye health. These dynamic duos act as shields against the nefarious forces of oxidative damage, safeguarding our precious peepers from harm. But fear not, for reinforcements approach in the form of bell peppers, wielding their vitamin C swords with gusto. As they join forces with spinach, their vitamin C content serves as a catalyst, unlocking the full potential of lutein and zeaxanthin, enhancing their absorption into our ocular fortress. As the culinary symphony unfolds, the harmonious collaboration between bell peppers and spinach creates a veritable feast for the eyes. The antioxidant-rich spinach, fortified by the vitamin C might of bell peppers, forms an impenetrable barrier against the onslaught of oxidative damage, ensuring our vision remains crystal clear and our ocular defenses remain steadfast. Behind the scenes, science sheds light on the intricate dance of absorption taking place within our bodies. Studies reveal the synergistic relationship between vitamin C and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, showcasing how their combined efforts amplify the protective effects on eye health, like a well-choreographed ballet of nutrition. Armed with this knowledge, we embark on a voyage towards ocular wellness, guided by the compass of nutritious fare. Let bell peppers and spinach be your steadfast companions on this journey, as you navigate the seas of eye health with confidence and vitality. Bon voyage, my fellow vision voyagers, may your eyes sparkle with the brilliance of 1,000 sunsets. If you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Now on to number 2 is bell peppers and nuts, especially almonds. Nuts, particularly almonds, are a good source of vitamin E, which is another antioxidant vital for eye health. Combining bell peppers with almonds can provide a mix of antioxidants that help protect the eyes from age-related damage and support vision repair. Our journey begins with the noble almond, renowned for its bounty of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting our peepers from the ravages of age-related damage. Like valiant knights of yore, almonds stand ready to defend our eyes against the forces of oxidative stress, ensuring our vision remains sharp and clear. But fear not, for our trusty sidekicks, the bell peppers, join the fray. Bursting with a kaleidoscope of colors, bell peppers bring their own arsenal of antioxidants to the table, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. Together, they form an unstoppable duo, bolstering the defenses of our ocular fortress against the relentless march of time. As almonds and bell peppers unite in a symphony of flavors, their combined antioxidant powers create a veritable shield of protection around our precious peepers. Vitamin E from almonds and vitamin C from bell peppers work hand in hand, neutralizing free radicals and preventing oxidative damage to our delicate eye tissues. Behind the scenes, science unveils the intricate dance of antioxidants within our bodies. Studies have shown that the synergistic interaction between vitamin E and vitamin C enhances their antioxidant properties, offering greater protection against age-related eye conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Armed with the knowledge of this dynamic duo, we navigate the seas of eye health with confidence and gusto. Let bell peppers and almonds be your steadfast allies on this quest for ocular wellness, as you indulge in their nutritious bounty and set sail towards a future filled with clear, sparkling vision. Bon appetit, my fellow eye adventurers, may your gaze be as bright as the morning sun. Number 3 is bell peppers and lean chicken or turkey. These lean meats are high in zinc, an essential mineral for eye health that helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, aiding in melanin production, a protective pigment in the eyes. Combining bell peppers with these proteins can enhance the bioavailability of zinc and vitamins, promoting overall eye health and function. Our adventure begins with the valiant lean chicken and turkey, noble warriors rich in zinc, the unsung hero of eye health. Like gallant knights donning gleaming armor, zinc swoops in to aid in the transportation of vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it fuels the production of melanin, a protective pigment that shields our eyes from harm. But lo and behold, our trusty companions, the bell peppers, emerge from the culinary shadows, adorned in a rainbow of vibrant hues. Bursting with vitamins A and C, these colorful guardians complement the zinc-rich meats with their own array of eye-nourishing nutrients. Together, they form an unstoppable alliance dedicated to preserving ocular well-being. As bell peppers and lean meats mingle on our plates, a harmonious symphony of nutrient absorption ensues. The vitamin C from bell peppers acts as a catalyst, enhancing the bioavailability of zinc and vitamin A from the lean proteins, ensuring they reach their ocular destination with utmost efficiency. Behind the culinary curtain, science sheds light on the intricate mechanisms at play. Studies have shown that zinc plays a pivotal role in maintaining retinal health, while vitamin A is essential for night vision and overall eye function. By combining zinc-rich lean meats with vitamin C-packed bell peppers, we create a synergy that fortifies our eyes against the ravages of time and environmental stressors. Armed with this newfound knowledge, we set sail on a voyage towards optimal eye health and visual clarity. Let bell peppers and lean chicken or turkey be your steadfast companions on this journey, as you savor their delicious flavors and bask in the knowledge that your eyes are receiving the nourishment they deserve. Bon appetit, my fellow visionaries. May your gaze be as sharp as an eagle's. Now let's talk about the 3 worst bell pepper combinations for vision repair. Number 1 is bell peppers and high-sugar foods or drinks. Consuming bell peppers with foods or drinks high in sugar can negate their health benefits. High sugar levels can lead to spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, potentially damaging blood vessels in the eyes and exacerbating conditions like diabetic retinopathy. Brace yourselves for a cautionary tale as we navigate the treacherous waters of unhealthy food combinations, where bell peppers and high-sugar foods or drinks collide. Prepare to uncover the pitfalls that threaten our ocular oases and the scientific secrets behind their detrimental effects, all while maintaining a light-hearted spirit and a sprinkle of humor. Picture this: a tempting array of sugary treats and beverages beckoning from afar, their siren song irresistible to even the most stalwart of sailors. Yet, beware, for indulging in these delights alongside our trusty bell peppers may spell trouble for our precious peepers. As we partake in the sweetness of high-sugar foods and drinks, a perilous path unfolds before us. The insidious spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels wrought by these sugary delights can wreak havoc on our delicate ocular vessels, paving the way for potential damage and vision woes. Behind the sugary facade lies a scientific truth: excessive sugar consumption is linked to a plethora of ocular maladies, including diabetic retinopathy. This condition, born from the tumultuous tides of unregulated blood sugar, threatens the integrity of our ocular vessels and dims the light of our visual clarity. Armed with this newfound knowledge, we set sail on a voyage towards ocular wellness, steering clear of the sugar-laden sirens that lure us astray. Let bell peppers be our stalwart companions on this journey, their vibrant hues a beacon of health in a sea of temptation. Together, let us navigate the choppy waters of dietary dangers and emerge unscathed, our eyes sparkling with vitality and vigor once more. Bon voyage, my fellow visionaries. May your gaze remain clear and true. Number 2 is bell peppers and fried foods. While bell peppers themselves are healthy, combining them with fried foods can introduce trans fats and oxidized lipids into your diet, which are detrimental to cardiovascular and eye health. These unhealthy fats can lead to blockages in the tiny blood vessels in the eyes, impairing vision. Picture this: a sizzling skillet, brimming with tantalizing fried treasures, beckoning from afar with promises of crispy delights. Yet, amidst the golden allure lies a dark secret: the perilous pairing of fried foods with our trusty bell peppers. As we succumb to the allure of fried indulgence, we unwittingly invite a host of nefarious characters into our culinary escapade. Trans fats and oxidized lipids, the notorious villains of cardiovascular and ocular health, stealthily infiltrate our diet, wreaking havoc on our delicate blood vessels, including those that nourish our precious peepers. Behind the tantalizing crunch of fried fare lies a scientific truth: the consumption of trans fats and oxidized lipids is associated with a myriad of cardiovascular and ocular ailments. These unhealthy fats, born from the fiery depths of frying pans, have been implicated in the formation of blockages within the intricate network of blood vessels that nourish our eyes, leading to impaired vision and ocular distress. Number 3 is bell peppers and excessive dairy. Dairy products are generally healthy in moderation, but excessive consumption, especially of high-fat dairy products, can lead to an increase in cholesterol and may have a negative impact on eye health, potentially contributing to the blockage of blood vessels in the eyes. This can be detrimental to someone focusing on vision repair, as it might reduce the beneficial impacts of the antioxidants found in bell peppers. Picture this, a delightful spread of dairy delights, from creamy cheeses to velvety yogurts, beckoning with promises of gastronomic euphoria. Yet, amidst this dairy cornucopia lies a hidden danger, the excessive consumption of dairy alongside our trusty bell peppers. As we indulge in the creamy decadence of dairy, we unwittingly invite a slew of potential woes into our ocular adventure. Excessive intake, particularly of high-fat dairy products, may pave the way to elevated cholesterol levels, potentially contributing to the nefarious blockage of blood vessels in our precious peepers. Behind the creamy facade of dairy lies a scientific truth. Excessive consumption, particularly of high-fat dairy, has been linked to adverse effects on cardiovascular health and, by extension, ocular well-being. The blockage of blood vessels within the intricate network that nourishes our eyes could spell trouble for those seeking to repair and rejuvenate their vision, potentially thwarting the beneficial effects of the antioxidants found in bell peppers. Let bell peppers stand as stalwart sentinels of health, their vibrant hues a beacon of hope amidst the sea of dairy excess. Together, let us navigate the choppy waters of dietary dangers and emerge unscathed, our eyes twinkling with vitality and vigor once more. Here's to smooth sailing on the voyage to optimal eye health. May your gaze remain clear and true. Did you find these combinations helpful for your eye health journey? Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you pair foods together. By making informed choices, you can nourish your eyes and safeguard your vision for years to come. If you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on maintaining optimal eye health. Your support helps us continue to create informative videos like this, empowering you to take control of your eye health and live your best life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.